got this carrier. I got her good. I didn't mean to, but holy shit, I scared the fuck out of her.
Oh, you don't say hello or nothing, or how you doing, or you just come in there with your story?
Hell yeah. You like it?
How you doing?
Fucking, I'm gonna tell you the story.
You're supposed to go, how you doing?
So this carrier, fucking, I thought she left. But anyways, I just shut the bathroom door. I peed, I washed my hands, I swing it open real fast. She's fucking coming in and fucking got her good. Shoot. Hell yeah. There she is.
She probably peed her pants. Damn, Brian. So that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, black. No wonder you didn't say hello. That's you're going to tell me something good.